So today I thought we'd show you how to efficiently order parts from Amazon. I like ordering parts from Amazon. They come to my door. I don't have to go hunt for them. I don't have to go wait in line in a store. Yes, it might take a day or two to come, but if you plan in advance, you don't have much of a problem. So the way you get to the auto parts area is you go to the down arrow here at all on the Amazon search bar. We're not talking about the web search bar, but the Amazon search bar. Go down to automotive parts and accessories. Now, when you hit the enter key there, it'll bring up your the parts. Now, one thing that you'll notice is over here, it says your garage. Now, you can put in your automobiles in here, and that'll help make sure that you're picking up the right parts. So you can put in model, make, and year on your item. If there's options, like whether it's four-wheel drive or what engine you've got, you can put all that in here, and you can deal with that under Manage Your Garage. So there's my Nissan Pathfinder. It'll have all the vehicle information that I need for that Pathfinder stored here. You can update the vehicle information if you want, add additional vehicles. You notice this is an SC, four-door, front disc brake, rear drum brakes, four-wheel drive, the engine, the manufacturer style. So you've got all these things here that will help you be able to make sure that you're getting the correct parts for your car. So I really like the garage. I really think that's a great tool to be able to go out and find things that you want and be able to make sure that it's going to fit your car. So here we can now go to parts, and you can select which car you want to buy parts for. We've been dealing with the Nissan Pathfinder, so I'll go ahead and leave it there. And let's say that I want to buy wiper blades. So it'll come up with some wiper blades that are available to us, and you'll notice that they're all ones that supposedly fit our car. Now let's do something just a little different here. Let's go here to the Rain-X. I don't prefer the Rain-X. I like these Bosch myself, but let's go here and let's check. The one I happen to select here at this model, you notice it says it does not fit your Nissan Pathfinder. Now one of these will, I don't remember which one it is, but one of these selections will come up and say, it fits your Nissan Pathfinder, most likely. I just grabbed a random one, so there it is. That's the one that fits your Nissan Pathfinder. So this is a real good way to be able to get parts, accessories, tools, car care. You've got all kinds of interesting things that you can select there. You can go back to parts and go generic. And they don't have some of the breakdown stuff that I'm looking for without having to hunt for it. I really don't like going through the menus after menus. What I really want now is I want front brakes. And so again, it'll come up and, filter results by your vehicle. And so I want to filter the results. And so these are the ones that will fit my Nissan Pathfinder. So I don't have to go through looking at generic parts and trying to find the one that happens to be the Nissan. Amazon will take care of that automatically for you. So I strongly recommend you use Amazon. It's a great source of good quality tools and parts. If you pick the good ones, they've got the Brembo here. They've got the actual Nissan brakes that's available, Detroit Axle, Wagner. So they've got, most any of the name brand that you'd look for, and that you would buy at an O'Reilly's or at one of the other parts supply houses. And they're all good quality. but you're getting exactly what you're looking for, and everything's filtered for you. Again, you can go over here if you have a specific brand that you want, that you really are enamored with and you really want that. Let's say you want the Hawk brakes. So you can select that, and it's going to come up with your performance brakes, because Hawk's a performance brake supplier. And again, these are ones that will fit my vehicle. And so it filters it for you. So anyway, a lot of the stuff that we recommend, we'll have links for you on Amazon. We'd appreciate you buying your parts through our links. It helps us out to be able to provide these videos for you. And hopefully we've shown you a way now to use Amazon to efficiently find what you're looking for your particular vehicle.